Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled red onion. Slice red onions thinly and pack the slices into a clean jar with a tight lid. Bring a brine of 1 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt to a simmer until the sugar dissolves. Pour the hot brine over onions, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate at least 1 hour before serving. Gather your ingredients and tools so the process is smooth and friendly. Slice the red onions thin and evenly so they pickle fast and consistently. Measure 1 cup vinegar and 1/2 cup water, then add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt for a balanced brine. Add optional aromatics like a clove of garlic or a few peppercorns. Clean jars and lids are essential to avoid off flavors. Start by slicing the onions and packing them into a jar so they settle without too much airspace. Gently heat the brine ingredients until the sugar dissolves, then remove from heat and pour over the onions to cover them fully. Let the jar cool on the counter until it reaches room temperature, then seal and refrigerate. Taste after an hour, though they improve with time, and use within 2 weeks for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.